Wow! Congratulations!
No, 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 no!
Hello, cutie pie. Hey, what happened? Hooray! Question mark?
Let's go! Come on! Zip zip! Woohoo!
Nice, nice.
We're in trouble now.
Come on, step it up!
Get good!
Good job!
Okay, let's go.
Wow! Congratulations!
I got an idea.
Oh yes!
Nice,
Thanks, Pally!
Hey.
Too easy! Piece of cake!
Here I go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Too easy!
Okay, guy. Oh, yes.
Cinco poder do Pacman!
Bye!
Here we go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice.
Bye, have a great time!
Good morning! Wow! Congratulations! Hello! I am ready to put on a show! Asama ni continue to but my boobs are huge!
Hey, what happened?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
We're in trouble now!
Oh, wow. Are you still?
Okay! Wow! Oh yes! Good job!
Here we go!
Bye-bye! Okay.
Wow! Amazing!
Hey.
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Good job!
Let's go.
Okay.
Here I go!
Going to county kids today, looking for the chump puppy mine. Going to find some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye!
Okay, let's go.
Bye, have a great time!
I am ready to put on a show.
Here I go!
Oh, wow.
Hello.
We're in trouble now.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Hey, what happened?
Wow! Congratulations!
Are you all right?
Help me!
Good job.
My God, are you still?
Whoa, amazing!
Here we go!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back.
Bye.
Okay.
Good job! Oh, yes! Go, go, go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chumpa ones. I'm going to find some chubby.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Whoa, amazing!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Bye.
Okay.
Oh, no.
To handle the answer to.
Okay. Bye, have a great time.
Good morning! Ohayo
Here I go!
Hello.
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Oh, hello.
Are you okay? Hey!
We're going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
We're in trouble now.
Okay.
Amazing!
Yeah, let's go.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't.
Bye.
Okay.
Good job!
Okay.
Here we go!
Bye, have a great time. Whoa, amazing!
Oh, good.
Okay.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning. We're in trouble now.
Here I go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, wow.
Amazing!
Dori.
Hey, what happened?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Woohoo!
Oh no.
Hello!
My God, are you still talking? Oh, wow.
Hello.
I sound like a tortilla, but my boobs are huge!
I am ready to put on a show.
Okay.
Good job!
Let's go!
Here we go.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye.
Okay.
No!
Bye-bye.
We're in trouble now.
Whoa! Amazing!
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go!
Going to kids today, looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning. We're in trouble now.
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened? My God, are you still talking? Woohoo!
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no. Hello.
料理は愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおい
I am ready to put on a show.
Okay.
Amazing!
Let's go!
I took $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay back yet. I'm dead.
Bye.
We're in trouble now.
Okay.
Here we go.
Going to kids today, looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream. Bye-bye.
Here I go.
Okay.
Let's go!
Bye.
Help me! Okay.
Are you all right?
Help me! Good job! Okay, let's go!
Here we go.
Going to kids today, looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids.
Bye, have a great time.